Hi, you're watching Doug McCon of RealityMe.net on Weekend Project. Today's weekend project is repairing a garage door. This is a temporary repair because this garage door has to be replaced eventually. It's a dark, dirty garage, cluttered with stuff that needs to be thrown away, and the fact that I can't really open and close the garage door without a hassle is making it difficult to actually clean this garage out. So my goal today, get this garage door to the point that I can open and close it simply with the remote control. Right now it'll open, but the door has been ripped up here and will fold down and can actually come off the tracks. So when you're opening it, you have to be very careful. And then when you're closing it, you actually have to use a stick to hold it up so that it stays in the track. Otherwise the door falls down. It's really bad. And you can see, because of the damage done up here, we don't even have a good seal on this door. This is going to get replaced, but I have to decide what the future of this garage workshop is going to be. I might want a different style door. In the meantime, I need this to work. So we're going to install a metal strip across the top, like so. Going to drill some holes there and bolt this strip on. This metal strip should give us enough support to be able to open and close this door. We have our tools, we're ready to go. Okay, the repair is complete. We've installed a new metal strip across the top. We're going to give this a little bit of support. I made a little bit of a mistake in that I used a strip that was probably more than I needed. I should have cut it in half and doubled it. The other thing that I did